You all know in the year 2000, there was the square shaped gang client and they got the round shaped gang client. While these two clients are hyping up the nail industry, we got other clients out there mad dogging, hating the fact that square shaped nail clients getting a lot of love, round shaped client was getting a lot of love. But they don't like none of those two gangs. They say the square shaped nails too sharp, too violent, hurting everybody, scratching everybody. The round shaped nail client, too soft, too round, too slippery. What we gonna do? So they gather all the low-key hoochie mama together. They say we gotta come up with our own shape. We like some square, we like some round. We gonna call ourselves Squareville. That's when Squareville comes to life. Now every client's be coming into the salon, be like, nah, I don't do square. That's too sharp. Nah, I don't like round. I like mine to be square with the round on the corner. Yup. They be repping hard on that Squareville. But let me tell you something about the Squareville shape though. Those are the low-key hoochie mama right there. Because the square shape is too much hoochie for them. The round shape is not hoochie enough. So they want to stick in between of the hoochie class. So they got the Squareville, y'all. And that is how us nail tech gain another $5. Because it ain't easy to do Squareville nails. Because you got to get them square and round. That's 2 in 1, bitch.